if you're seeing my face. I said, if you're seeing my face, my name is Master Johnson. I have a tendency of making things make sense. Over the next 72 hours, your life is about to drastically change. See, I have a gift. And this gift is I'm a spokesperson for change. I don't necessarily have much of a religion, but I do have a connection, a relationship. And what ends up happening is I get these downloads that, as a spokesperson for change, I'm able to speak it in such a way that makes it make sense to you. So, if you feel called, listen to your message. If you can implement the framework that I'm going to give to you by holding the discipline and the conscious awareness, then I promise you, in the next 72 hours, your life is going to change. Let me just start with saying congratulations. So you're at a point now where you're starting to recognize that it's never been about thinking more or trying harder or working harder. It's never been about grinding. It's always been about aligning. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps for you to stay in alignment. And the very first step, my friend, is to trade your expectations with appreciation. If you're consistently expecting an outcome based off of the work that you put in, and you're not getting it, notice how it's typically fueled by this emotion and this feeling called disappointment. You are expecting the person to be a specific way. You're expecting the client, the business, the marketing campaign to take off the way it's supposed to, automatically leading you to a feeling of being disappointed. I get it. I've been there and I've done that. So the very first thing is trade your expectation with anticipation as well as appreciation. Now, as long as you are operating inside of appreciation, then you can anticipate being able to understand the metrics as well as the level of discipline that you are consistently having and being in the present moment. Now listen, if you're inside of the present moment, inside of appreciation, and then you're anticipating what's going to happen next, well then now, my friend, now we're starting to cook. So the second thing is do whatever you can to do what you can with what you have with where you are, which means stay here. Marry yourself to this present moment. Put this in the comments for me. Be here now. And now this leads to the third thing. If you can be here now in appreciation and anticipation, well then, my friend, it's going to allow you to do the only thing that you must do in order to shift everything in the next 72 hours. I need you to be here now and appreciate yourself. Yes, yourself. Because I'm willing to bet through all of the effort and energy that you've been putting out into the world to try to have the money, the relationship, the booming business, the brand, if you will, the only reason why it has yet to show up is because you have yet to bring that same level of grace to this space right here, to this understanding and to this moment. And if, I promise you, you can feel the way you would feel should you have the thing that you desire right now, and you stay there and you allow your vessel to be essentially the vessel that allows God to pull it through you, not through your conscious action, but through the aligning and understanding and appreciation and gratitude. If you can hold those emotions, take away the expectation, hold the appreciation, and be like a little kid before Christmas and sit inside of that anticipation, then in the next 72 hours, your entire life is going to shift. Now, here's the deal. Every Friday, I run a masterclass bringing you the tangible step-by-step process to be able to increase your income as an individual, preferably an entrepreneur, because that's what I am and that's what I have been. If you can understand that, and if you would like to be a part of that, then what I'm going to have you do is find my Instagram right here, send me the word masterclass, I'll shoot you over an invite, and then I'll be able to really kind of show you just how powerful you actually are. No pressure. This opportunity is here for you to use. It's also here for you to lose. But I remember being where you are. And let me tell you, I've traded my expectation with anticipation. I stay in the present state moment in the awareness of just being able to explain and experience and express my life from being there. And I want you there. Thanks for watching my video. Share it with your mama. I'll see you on the next one.